Have you ever wondered how to get the underwater or the Drake effect onto your song? Well, stay tuned for the video and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in Pro Tools. What's good? It's your boy Gerard Sharif, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve the underwater or the Drake effect on your song. So we can achieve this in Pro Tools with a thing called plugin automation. And if we hop right into Pro Tools and we feast our eyes upon this track here, though I've made it enlarged for you guys. So I've already added, so which don't pay no mind to all these plugins. What we're looking at is just basically a basic EQ. And I'm going to do it with the EQ that comes standard with Pro Tools. So if we press this and we feast our come up here where it says auto. That's short for automation. And that's what we're going to use to achieve the desired effect. So if we click up here on these two squares right under auto, this menu here will come up. And what you will want to do is you want to come down to where it says low pass frequency and add it over here to automation. What that does is add it to where you can control automation on the track actually. So okay that. Make sure that your low pass filter is enabled or you will not hear any changes in the audio. So what we're going to do now is, let me see, we're going to find something where we're going to do it at. So
boy, y'all, this my life from a G to a Don. For all them broke days, I'm drinking Dom Perignon, rocking Saint Laurent. Haters carry.
So I'll probably do it to this section right here.
Haters carry on, only haters carry.
No, I do it right here.
Dom Perignon, rocking Saint Laurent. Dom Perignon.
All right, so we highlight that, and then we actually come drop the track down. And you come down, you see it to say Audio 1 effects EQ 7-band, then the low pass frequency comes up. So now what it is that we're controlling the frequency of the low pass filter on the automation frame now. So like what I usually would do when I want to do the desired effect, depending, like if you just wanted to go straight into it, you could just do a slope, or if you want to come out, you could do a slope the opposite direction. But what I usually do is I'll make it go in then come out, and how I do that is I'll hold command and I'll click, and then I'll make 3 dots. I'll make 2 on the end and 1 in the middle to pull down. So say I want it to be real abrupt, so I'll do this, and then I make 1 more here, and then I just pull this down, the little dot, and what that would do is, see, that's real fast, but you'll see it on the EQ window too also when I play it. So
days I'm drinking Dom Perignon, rocking Saint Laurent. Haters carry.
And you can do that as long or as short as you want. Also, you can make it just, say you wanted to just you just wanted to go into the effect, you could just command click, and I do one by there. I just do it because it's easier to do that than just, so you just do it like that, and it'll.
I'm drinking Dom Perignon, rocking Saint Laurent. Haters carry on, only nigga in first class with a.
All right. So today we showed you how to do automation effects within Pro Tools and how to get the Drake effect doing it. If this video helped you in any way, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And we'll be back with more tutorials soon.